Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add shapes in Photoshop. So it doesn't matter which Photoshop you're using, I'll show you step by step how you can do this, and it shouldn't be that hard. So right now, I've just opened a random picture of a sea, and I'm going to show you how you can add shapes on this picture, okay? So for that, all you need to do is take a look at your toolbar, and then right there you'll find this like shape icon. It depends which one you've selected. It will probably be a rectangle just like that. All you need to do is right click and you can then start choosing any of these shapes. Okay, so right now I've got the rectangle selected. If you then basically click and then you can actually add a shape just like that. Now if you want a different shape, you can right click and you can choose a rounded rectangle if that's the one you're looking for, which looks like that. We also have a like kind of like a circle if you want it to be, or you can do it like that. Depends on what you're trying to do. Then we also have this one, which you can also create. But if you're not looking for any of these, you can click right there on Custom Shape Tool, and then right there you'll find a different shape. So click on that to launch all of the other ones, to open them. So right here we've got a heart, we've got, let's see, a scissor. Right there we've got a few arrows, we've got like an email icon, we've got a music icon, we've got a check mark. We have, like, you basically have so many different shapes on here. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can add a shape in Photoshop. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works or if you were looking for something else, and then I'll try and help you out. But yeah, that's it. Have a good day.